fold up each of the little girls like this at the end of their feet, like so. And it's always good, even if you're going to fold it back up and send it through the mail, to go ahead and crease everything the way it should be, because then when the recipient gets it, it'll fall right into place. So they're very cute. Now we're going to make a little birthday cake to put in the middle, and that also helps us to spin the top. It gives you a little bit of a handle to spin it. And I'm just going to cut out a little birthday cake, and I'm making it first very tall like this, and I'll show you how to make those candles. Okay, so depending upon how many candles you want to just cut some little strips like this. You cut a whole bunch of little strips, and then just fold down every other one like so. And depending upon how many candles you want, you just leave up the amount that you want and cut off the rest like this. There. You can get a little more detailed, or you can color something on the cake. We're going to bend up the plate part of it like so, and then along one of the folds in the center we'll glue our cake so that the fold of the cake matches the fold of the round, the circle. Okay, I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue on the bottom there, if it wants to come out. A little bit of glue like this, not too much because you don't want the paper to pucker up. And place the cake right in the center, right on the fold. And hold that firmly to dry. And then our top will spin like that, and the little girls will dance around the cake and sing happy birthday. And to mail it, you just fold the little girls in, and you can fold that right in half and just give instructions on how to open it so that they can enjoy the dancing girls at the party. And that's a cute little gift to send to any little girl or any big girl.